Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the laboratory management system using Python. So let's open the terminal and run the laboratorysoftware.py file. It will open the home page. There is a registration, haemogram, lipidogram, blood sugar tolerance report, elisa for HIV, routine urine analysis, special biochemical test 13. And let's go with the registration part. User have to enter the name, age, reference by, gender, receipt number and date, and then click on add button. So it will store the data and it will make the separate report. Let's user have to enter the haemogram, enter one by one like red blood cell count. Let's enter all those details. And when we click on the add button, then it will store the data in that particular receipt. I'm just entering the demo details. Let's click on add button. So it will store in the result. Now go for the lipidogram. We have to enter the actual reading. Okay, and then click on the add button. So it will right here in that particular chemistry examination report. Let's go for the blood sugar tolerance report. And we have to enter the blood sugar and then click on add button. So it will store here. Let's click for the elisa for HIV. We have to enter the HIV 1 and 2, HVSAG, and then click on add button. So it will write here in that particular receipt. Now routine urine analysis. So we have to enter all those values like physical examination, chemical examination, and microscopic examination. After entering the values, user have to click on the add button. So it will print that particular separate receipt. If you click on the print button, then it will make the separate print for that particular receipt. Right now I don't have printer connected. Now special biochemical test 13. Let's enter all the value and then click on receipt button. So it will print the separate receipt. If you click on the print button, then it will make the receipt and separate print out. Okay, now click on the PBF, peripheral blood film. User had to enter all those value and then click on the receipt button. Then it will generate the receipt. And if user click on the reset button, then it will reset all those value which is receipt, which is entered in the PBF. Now click on print button, so it will print the particular receipt. And if you click on reset button, then it will reset the whole receipt. This will be the complete project. Now let's check with PBF, special biochemical test 13, routine urine analysis, blood sugar tolerance report, lipidogram, haemogram, and finally registration section. So this project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the user interface. Whenever user enter in that particular user input section, then it will generate the complete receipt. Okay, let's close it. This is the Python code. Let's open it. This is the complete project code. Let's scroll. So this type of projects we are developing related to computer science domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Java and Android, and web development. So if you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can visit our website www.techieprojects.com. And if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. We'll try to reply soon. Let's go through the complete project code. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.